Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make text roll in Premiere Pro. First, navigate to File, then New, and select Legacy Title. This opens a dedicated window where you will design your rolling text. Name your title something descriptive, like End Credits, and click OK. This initial step is crucial for setting up the canvas where your text will reside and ultimately animate. You're now ready to add your content. Now, within the Legacy Title window, select the Type tool and click anywhere to start typing your content. You can paste text directly or type it out. On the right, you'll find the Title Properties panel. Here, you can customize your text extensively. Choose from hundreds of fonts, adjust the size to fit your screen, and pick a color that matches your video's aesthetic. Experiment with alignment options like center or left, justified for a professional look. To make your text roll, look for the roll/crawl options in the Title Properties panel. Check the roll box. This immediately transforms your static text into a dynamic, moving element. Ensure Start Off Screen and End Off Screen are both checked for a seamless entry and exit. You can also adjust the pre-roll and post-roll values to control how long the text pauses before and after its animation, typically set to 0 for continuous movement. Once your rolling title is designed, close the Legacy Title window. Your new title will appear in your project panel. Drag this title clip onto your video timeline, placing it where you want the credits to appear. The duration of this clip on the timeline directly controls the speed of the roll. A longer clip means a slower roll, and a shorter clip means a faster roll. Preview your sequence to ensure the timing and appearance are perfect before exporting your final video.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.